It's the 99, and it's about Estilo. Our team is formed by Karen Astorga, Camila Recuero, and Krista Navarro. We are on the group number 1 with the professor Cesar Popescu.
Volume of a silo. A grain silo consists of a cylindrical main section and a hemispherical roof. If the total volume of the silo, including the part inside the roof section, is 15,000 cubic feet and the cylindrical part is 30 feet tall, what is the radius of the silo rounded to the nearest tenth of a foot?
This silo is beautiful. I want it. I'm gonna ask it about it.
Yeah, come in. What's going on?
I just want information about the silo. I want to buy it, but I want to know how much it is.
It's just only 4,500. And come on, take a seat, and I'm going to explain.
Thanks. And I also want to know the measure of the radio.
Okay, but at the moment I don't really know the exact measures of the radio, but I can obtain that with the formulas of the cylinder and the sphere. Let me explain you. Right?
First, we have the volume of the silo, that is 50,000 cubic feet, and then we have the height, that is 30 feet. For the radio, what we need is to obtain the volume of the cylinder and the volume of the sphere, and then we need to sum both of the formulas. Then we find the polynomial function f of x is equal to 2/3 p x cubic plus 30 p x quadratic minus 15,000.
Oh, I know a wonderful program that shows the polynomial function, and it's called GeoGebra. Let me show you.
Okay. This is the program, right?
Yes. So we put the polynomial function that would be this, and these are the zeros.
Okay. Where are the zeros?
This, and this.
Okay, so
This one would be like the radio because it can be negative.
it's the only positive, and it's 11.28.
28. Look, I can't make some.
Oh, this is.
Approximately it's. Look.
Oh, I know. Thank you.
Then we multiply the polynomial function by 3, so it's 2p x cubic plus 90p x quadratic minus 45,000 equal to 0. And we substitute p with its value 3.14. When multiplying it by 2, it is equal to 6.28, and when multiplying it by 90, it is equal to 282.6. So it becomes 6x cubic plus 283 x quadratic minus 45,000 equal to 0. And as we want to leave x cubic with no coefficient, we divide all the function by 6, which is equal to x cubic plus 47 x quadratic minus 7,500 equal to 0. Now we can obtain the possible zeros with the factors of 7,500, which are plus minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 25, 30, 50, 60, 75, 100, 125, 150, 250, 300, 375, 500, 625, 750, 1,250, 1,500, 1,875, 2,500, 3,750 and 7,500. Then we do the synthetic division with 12. And then we do it with 10. 1, 5, 7, 1,800. Like in both division, the remainder was not equal to 0. We can deduce that the number of the radio is between 12 and 10. That would be 11. And in the zeros of the graph in GeoGebra, we could notice that one was at 11.28. So that's the final result.
Okay, thank you. I really want to buy it. It's perfect to me and...
Oh, thank you. Okay, yeah.
Goodbye.
Bye. Take care of yourself.
Thanks.
Perfect. It's all up.
First, what we did was analyze the problem and know what was missing to solve it.
The second thing we did was find the formulas of the sphere and the cylinder.
Then we analyzed that we needed to solve both formulas that are P equal to P like this.
Then we substitute this with this. V is equal to 15,000 and H is equal to 30.
Then we multiplied them by 3 to get rid of the fraction 2/3.
Then we pass P to the other side by dividing, followed by dividing it by 2.
Finally, we realized that the only way to solve it was with GeoGebra and we localized the zeros, so we realized that the radio was 11.28.
After plugging the equation and replacing the values in the formula, we obtain our result. We can also use this kind of polynomial functions in the daily life. For example, to calculate the volume of a doghouse, and using this procedure we can know the radius or the volume of an object really quickly.
Thanks for watching.